Hi everyone, I am Mr. Zimmerman, one of the algebra teachers here at Kennedy. Today we're going to talk about finding the slope between 2 points. So we're just going to do a little bit of review of what you learned last week. Remember, we learned that slope is the m value to y equals mx plus b. And we also learned that the slope, or the m value, has the equation of triangle y all over triangle x. So just as a reminder, the triangle means how much is it changed by. So the top is how much do the y values change, and on the bottom, or the denominator, is how much does the x values change. So we're going to look at the 4 examples in your notes. Please copy the work down in the notes as we go along here. And the first one we're going to look at is the points of 3, 4, and 5, 0. So let's look at the y values. The y starts at 4. It goes to 1. So notice it goes down by 3 units. The x values, which are the first numbers in the ordered pair, starts at 3, goes to 5. So in this case, it goes up by 2 units. So again, slope is change of y all over the change of x. So the y goes down by 3, so that's negative 3. And the x goes up by 2, that's a positive 2. So our slope in this case is a negative 3 halves, or you could write that as negative 3 over 2. Let's look at the second question. Again, the first number is the x values, second numbers are the y values. So let's start with the y values again. It starts at 5, goes to 7, so in that case it goes up by 2 units. The x values start at 1, go to 2, so in this case it goes up by 1 value. So slope, change of y all over change of x. Change of y, positive 2, because it goes up by 2. X, positive 1. So our slope in this case is 2 divided by 1, which is just 2. All right, the third one. We're going to start with the y values. When I get to the x values, my video is going to get cut off here, so we're going to have to do that one verbally. So let's start with the y's. So, 7 and negative 2, that's a tough one. If you're not very good at negative numbers, we're going to have to do some subtraction. So we do the second number, which is negative 2, and we're going to subtract off the first, which is negative 9. So it goes down by 9 units. I'm going to show how that works on a number line. So I'm going to start with 0. I'm going to plot the 2 points. I'm going to plot negative 2 on the left side. I'm going to plot positive 7 on the right side of 0 here. And notice that we start at 7, and notice I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Going down by 9. Now again, I just figured that out doing subtraction. Again, you take the second one and subtract the first one, or you could write out a number line. So for the x values, again, my video got cut off. I apologize. The next problem, you'll see this. It won't get cut off in the next one. But how much is a change going from negative 1 to 2? Well, if you think about a number line, looks like you're going up 3 units. You're going to go up 3. You could do that by subtraction. What you do is you do 2, which is the second x value, and you subtract the first one. So you do 2 minus a negative 1. Plug that in your calculator, and that turns out to be a positive 3. So the slope in this case turns out to be negative 9 divided by positive 3. Negative 9 divided by positive 3 is negative 3. Sorry that my video got cut off. This one here will be a little bit better. So again, let's look at the y value. Start at negative 4, goes to negative 9. So if you're not good at negative numbers, you can do subtraction. You do negative 9 minus negative 4. Well, negative and negative is positive, so in this case that would be negative 5. And I can show that on the number line again. So I'll put down my 0. I'll plot both a negative 4 and I'll plot a negative 9. And we start at negative 4 on the number line. And it looks like we're going to go left. How many places? Down 1, down 2, down 3, down 4, down 5. Go down 5 units. So in this case, my change of y is negative 5. The x values, you're going from negative 3 to negative 7. So notice you are getting smaller on the number line. So some of you already know that we are going down 4 units. You could do this by subtraction. You do -7 minus a -3. Well, minus a negative is positive again, so you go down 4. Again, like I said, we can look at that on the number line. Start at 0, plot the 2 points, plot -3 and -7. And notice if we start at -3, we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So my change of x is -4. So the slope, change of y, all over the change of x, would be -5, divided by -4. Negative divided by negative is a positive, so it is 5/4. That's it. That's how you calculate the slope given 2 points. Thank you, everyone. Bye for now.